In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download TurboTax on Windows. If you need to install TurboTax on your Windows computer, this process is straightforward and only takes a few minutes. I'll walk you through it clearly so you know exactly what to click and what to expect during the download and installation. To get started, open your preferred web browser on your Windows PC. In the search bar, type TurboTax Download Windows and begin your search. You may also see results related to other operating systems, but for this tutorial, we're focusing specifically on the Windows version. From the search results, look for the official Intuit page for TurboTax desktop downloads. Make sure you open the official TurboTax desktop download page so you're downloading the software from the correct source. This helps ensure that you get the latest version and a secure installer. Once you're on the page, find and click the option labeled Download TurboTax Software. This will take you to the section where you can choose the product you want to download. Next, select the TurboTax product that matches the version you need. Take a moment here to confirm you're choosing the correct edition before moving on, since different versions may offer different features depending on your tax needs. After that, you'll be asked to choose your computer's operating system. Since this tutorial is for Windows, click the Windows option. This will begin downloading the Windows installer to your computer. When the download finishes, open your Downloads folder and locate the file named Windows PC TurboTax Download .exe. Double-click that file to begin the installation process. If Windows Security appears and asks for permission to continue, click Run. This is a normal step for downloaded installation files. TurboTax will then launch its installer. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup. During this part, simply read each screen carefully and continue through the prompts until the installation is finished. It's usually best not to close your browser or shut down your computer while the installer is running. Once installation is complete, go ahead and launch TurboTax. At that point, the software should be ready for you to begin using on your Windows computer. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded and installed TurboTax on Windows. Thanks for watching.